Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl, on love girl, who never lost control. Cause a supermodel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very excited because I have the freaking FabFitFun 4 box, guys. And here it is. So freaking cute, guys, and colorful as well. And then when you open it, ooh, something just flew out. Look how gorgeous inside is, guys. You see some people working out, you see people painting and stuff. Very, very pretty fall colors. So if you guys are excited for this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys have not yet. So if you guys want to see what is in my FabFitFun box for the fall, then just keep on watching. Alright, so you guys know it always come with the magazines with some articles in here and also all the goodies that is in the box. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed, guys, is this Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So this is how the package look. It's like a burgundy color and the words is in gold. And basically this is an eye mask to like brighten and hydrate and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I can't wait to try this out because I feel like I've been having like dark circles because I haven't been sleeping on time. And I'm getting like less sleep hours, guys. And that product is $25. Ooh, what is this? This is by the brand Harper plus Ari. So it's basically like an exfoliating sugar cube. Interesting, huh? So basically you take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over your wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. And it's recommended to use twice a day or whenever you need extra pamping. I actually might try this out today, actually. And oh my goodness, guys, it smells freaking delicious. It smells like apples, to be honest. Like, I could eat these. Oh my god, I might try this out today. Definitely tonight. And this guy right here is $16. Oh my goodness, guys. I've been wanting to get one of these, but I never had the time to go get them. And this is basically like a hair tie. I was about to say hair towel, but hair towel, guys. I have one, but it's not really that good, so hopefully this brand is good. This is the After Spa, and this product here, guys, is $18. Okay, so the next product here is by EBATES. This is a damage remedy for hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat. So my hair is damaged from all the dyeing and chemicals and the heat, guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, my hair is really bad. And I'm glad that they sent this so I could try it out. I think this is a leave-in treatment. Yep, so after you get out the shower. This product here is $30, guys. Alright, so the next product here is by Human Plus Kind Skincare with a Conscious. So this is a body souffle. Do you guys see that? Right there. So I guess it's like a cream for your body, like a moisturizer for your body, I believe. Yeah, so basically it's a lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness Human Plus Kind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisture and soft to the touch. And it's also vegan and gluten free, as you guys can see. And this product here is $18. So the next product here is Kate Spade, because I see the tag say Kate Spade. I wonder what this is. Maybe it's a makeup bag? I'm not sure, but it's cute though. It's like a beige color. Oh, I know what it is. It's a lunch bag because in the front, I don't know if you guys can see, it say out to lunch. Very cute and simple. Even though I don't really pack lunch, but maybe this would be good for like on a road trip or something to keep like your drinks cool and like maybe snacks or fruits. Or maybe I should give it to my sister since she packed lunch. This Kate Spade lunch tote is $30. So the next product here is the Better Skin. So this is a, what is this? Hold on, guys. I need to look at my magazine. So this is the Better Skin Cold Laver Magic. So it's a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask. It's enriched with moisturizing ingredients to give skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. And this is $32, guys. So basically it cleanses and exfoliate and scrub your face, and it's a mask as well. So the last product here is by Grown Alchemist, and this is a detox night cream. So this is like a detox night cream for you to use at night, and it's going to reduce your fine lines, wrinkle, and facial texture to appear radiant and more youthful looking. So I was trying to find out how much this product is in the magazine, but it seems like it's not in there. I would probably say this is like around $20 to $30, I would say. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course you guys know your girl got you. I have a discount link for you guys to use, which I will leave down below in the description box. So if you guys want to get your FabFitFun box, then just click the link down below and I got you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold a crown, you hold a crown.